Iziguli ziphoqeke ukuthi zijikiswe ziyiswe kwezinye izibhedlela eziseduzane. Amagumbi angakwazi ukusebenza ngenxa yamanzi ilawo emkela abantu abasesimweni esibucayi.
Yes, the services are affected, but they are functional, but we are not fully functional at hands. Only the patients that are being brought by ambulances that are diverted, but not the ones that come with private cars.
Abaphathi bathi okwamanje akucaci ukuthi lenkinga ibangelwa yini. Bathi kungenzeka ukuthi ingqalasizinda esindala okanye kunamapayipi angasasebenzi.
We know what is the problem. There is low water, but so far we don't know what is the cause. There are other issues that we are suspecting that could be the cause. There could be probably leakage from the pipes that are supplying the hospital, but the pipes are underground. We are going to find out today. Or there could be a possibility of poor valve functioning.
Sengokwesibili ukuthi lesi sibhedlela siphelelwe amanzi njengoba kuke kwenzeka eminyakeni emibili edlule.